Hi friends, today I'm back with a small tip how to boil macaroni. Hope you like it. Take a pan and add 2 cups of water. This is for 1 cup of macaroni. Always take double quantity. If you are taking 2 cups of macaroni, then double quantity of water. Bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, dip in the macaroni. Now we are going to add little salt and some oil. Oil will help to keep the macaroni separate. It will not stick together. Give it a nice stir and cover it with a lid and cook for 1 minute or until it is half done. This is a thin variety of pasta. It cooks very fast. If you are using a thick pasta, you will cook for 1.5 minutes. So after 1 minute, you open the lid, give it a stir and see it's half done. Cover the lid and at this stage we will switch off the gas. Leave it, set it aside for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes you can open the lid to check. You see, it has been done very well, nicely puffed up. Always use a wider pan so that macaroni has enough space to expand. Now we'll drain the water, and it's ready for use. You can make use of it in any curries, pastas, whatever dish you want to. Isn't it the easy way? I hope you like the tip, and this water can be kept aside for soups and gravies, or you can even knead your dough with it. Friends, do subscribe the channel if you have not done so, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications. Here are some videos from my archives. Check them out if you like. Thank you. Thanks for watching.